Hey, what's up folks? Matt Berry with First Choice, and today we're going to do a rip out and install. We are going to rip out all of these. The only thing we're leaving is the crepe myrtle. We're going to rip it out, make sure we get all the root balls, because it'll grow back if you don't, and then fill it up with some good dirt and install some good looking plants. The customer wants some low maintenance color, so what we decided, we got some sunshine ligustrums and some of the pixie loropedlums, and then we're going to do some monkey grass. So here we go. All right, we have ripped out most of the plant, actually all, as you can see, but we still got some root systems in here. We need to get those out because they'll just grow back into our new landscape. So what we're going to do is we're going to get as much of these roots as we can out. All these low suckers, we're going to cut them, get that crepe myrtle looking good. We're going to shape that, and then we're going to bring in a bunch of dirt and get ready for the install. All right, we got everything prepped. A bunch of the dirt right here. We've got all these plants ripped out. All ripped out here. New dirt. Everything leveled in, packed in. So we are ready for the install. So what we're gonna do is we've got these sunshine ligustrums that are gonna go on the back side right here. They it's the off season right now. They're normally like a real vibrant yellow, but then they go to this like lime green during the winter. But we're gonna put these in the back. We're gonna offset the next. We're gonna put these pixie loropedlums, and then around both trees we're gonna put red drift roses, and then lining the bed and the walkway we're going to put the monkey grass. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna place everything where we want it, and then we're gonna paint around it. Once we get it where we want, I'm going to paint a circle around each plant, and then that way we can move it and the holes don't move. I found that's really the best way to do that. Alright, so we got the first bed installed. Got the sunshines in the back, pixie loropedlums, the drifts going all around, and the monkey grass. So next stage here is we're just going to blow in the dirt, everything for an easy cleanup, and then put out the pine straw. Then here, same process repeated. Alright folks, well this rip out and install is complete. You can see we got all our monkey grass, our roses going around each tree. We got the sunset ligustrums, the pixie dwarf loropedlums, and then we've got the pine straw real defined and curved. We rolled the pine straw real thick. Now it looks a little thicker and you can't see some of the plants, but like I was just telling the customer, once this weathers and settles down, you'll be able to see them a lot better. But it's better when you install it, you go ahead and have it thick like this. That way, so when it settles, it just kind of settles down. And then we rolled all of the curves, so you got a distinct line of where your landscape ends and your turf begins. And at the end of the day, this was an overgrown yard, and it just completely changed her whole appeal of her house. Looks like a new house.